So this is our top hat organizer. It's called a top hat organizer because it looks like a top hat, like in this picture right here, where the top part of the hat is high and then the bottom half is kind of thin and flat. So if you look at our top hat organizer, it will help us compare and contrast stories. The top part of the top hat is where you write the differences between two stories. So you've got a column right here for one story called It's My Right, and the second column for the other story of Election Day. So then you would fill out in this column right here what It's My Right is about that's different from Election Day. So for example, there's your sentence starter. In this story, it talks about how people fought for the right to vote, organize, and for equal rights. So that's just an example. And in Election Day, in this story, it talks about how people got the right to vote, including African Americans, women, Native Americans, and Mexican Americans. And then on the bottom, it's how they're both the same. So we're going to look and see what both talk about. And I'm noticing that they both have vote and the right to vote in common. So that's what we could put for a similarity. Both texts talk about how people fought for the right to vote. There you go. So since we did this together, what you're going to do next is you're going to go to the next slide and you're going to work on comparing and contrasting using the top hat.